In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up DocuSign AutoPlace fields on DocuSign templates. This process will help you streamline your workflow by ensuring that fields are consistently and accurately positioned across documents with similar formats. This not only saves time, but also reduces the risk of errors. So let's dive right in and start with the basics. The first step is to head over to DocuSign.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access your workspace and have the necessary permissions to edit templates. Once you're logged in and have reached the DocuSign homepage, locate the template you want to work with. This can often be found under your Templates section. Once you've opened the desired template, take a moment to fill in any necessary details. These could include basic information or predefined clauses that are standard for the document you are creating. The idea is to have everything set up so that you can seamlessly add the AutoPlace fields. With the preliminary information filled in, you can proceed by clicking Next to move on to configuring the document fields. Now it's time to select the type of field you need to add. DocuSign provides various field options, such as signature, date, and text fields. Choose the appropriate field based on the requirement of your document and simply drag it onto the document where you need it to be. This drag and drop functionality is user-friendly and allows you to place fields exactly where they need to go for your document's needs. After placing your fields, you'll notice on the right side of the page an option labeled Location. Click on this to begin setting up your AutoPlace field location. This location setting is critical for ensuring that the fields auto-populate in the right places across similar documents. Following this, you'll see an option to Set Up. Click on it to further configure the placement. Input the exact location on the document where each field should appear. Being precise here is key because this ensures uniformity across all documents using this template. Once you've specified the location, make sure to click Apply to save these settings. This applies the location settings to the fields you've added, ensuring they appear correctly. Finally, don't forget to save the template with the new AutoPlace fields applied. Saving the template means you can reuse it with the AutoPlace setup intact, allowing you and your organization to benefit from consistent, error-free document preparation. Understanding and utilizing AutoPlace effectively can greatly enhance document management efficiency. By eliminating the manual positioning of fields, AutoPlace not only saves time, but significantly reduces the likelihood of errors. So, take advantage of this feature to optimize your document workflows.